to add a Philips Hue Light.
Reach the Philips Hue application. Go on the gear on the upper right corner of the application. Tap on Light Setup. Hit the plus button on the lower right corner. Make sure your light is installed and that the switch is on. Then wait for the light to show up on the application. Click on the light you want to add and type in its name. Once done, tap the return arrow on the higher left corner until you reach the settings page. Tap the room setup, hit the plus button on the lower right corner to create a new room, or select the room you want to add the new light in. Give it a name and select your new light to be in this room. Finally, hit save. Return to the main page and you should be good to go.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there, it's from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!